So I met with the Reliable Controls crew at the career fair at Molson College, and we had a talk about what's Reliable Controls, what they do, and it amazed me how passionate they were about the company and the products, so that motivated me to apply. I think I developed my communication skills, my writing skills, and also just having a team to communicate with, and not just one, but multiple ones. At my co-op, I was exposed to multiple teams, multiple external stakeholders that this experience gave me a skill set to work with and build from there. I think the co-op experience was perfect, so I could feel ready for a full-time role because it exposed me to so many different things that it gave me the opportunity to gain the experience that I needed to succeed in my role now. Yeah, I'm really passionate about that one because I remember it was around like my first month in, and I had the opportunity to talk to everyone, I had the opportunity to know people, and it was right then when I knew I wanted to continue with Reliable Controls. Influenced me 100%. The company culture here is something that I've never seen in my life. It's just people care about each other, and then at this company events we get the chance to see them and talk to them, and everyone is just amazing, so friendly and so curious. It's just amazing how we can all come together, and yeah, it feels like a family. It is a family, so. Yeah, so this was something that I worked with my supervisor at the time. I talked to him about my skill set and he gave me feedback, and we kind of built a role for me that it would fit the skills that I had and also the skills that I wanted to improve as well. I think it's just the perfect fit for me. Oh wow, the building here is just something that it's just wow, it's breathtaking. How the building works with all of our controllers, how the lighting system works and the venting and the heating is just amazing. It's always in the perfect temperature. I'm never too cold, I'm never too hot in this building. I love natural lighting. When you step into this building, I feel inspired to work, and I feel just so happy. I don't know, something about this building. Maybe the woods and the natural woods, something around it. I can't say enough good things about my co-op experience in this company, honestly. And I loved it so much that I just continued full time. So be open for experiences because there's so much you can do, there's so much you can learn. If you're open to everything, I think you're gonna succeed and it's gonna be amazing. You're gonna have an awesome time. I think this is one in a million to work at this company. I think it's an amazing opportunity, and I would encourage everyone to apply, to be honest, because this is just amazing, yeah.